Lesson 15. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken with a side of rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
I'll have an iced tea, no sugar.
Do you want any appetizers?
Yes, can I get the garlic bread?
Would you like dessert?
No, thank you. Just the check, please.
Lesson 16. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight, then turn right at the second traffic light.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 10-minute walk.
Can I take a bus there?
Yes, take bus number 5.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Lesson 17. At the grocery store.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in the refrigerated section, aisle 3.
Do you sell fresh bread?
Yes, it's near the front entrance.
How much are the apples?
They're $1.50 per pound.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Of course, we accept all cards.
Lesson 18. At the airport.
Where is the check-in counter?
It's just ahead, near gate 2.
How early should I arrive before my flight?
At least 2 hours before departure.
Can I bring this bag as carry-on?
Yes, as long as it fits in the overhead bin.
Where is the boarding gate?
It's gate 8, down the hall to your left.
Lesson 19. Talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and painting.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer on the weekends.
How often do you practice your hobby?
I paint twice a week, usually in the evening.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to jazz.
Lesson 20. At the doctor's office.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt this way? For about 3 days. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Do you need a doctor's note for work?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Lesson 21. Making a phone call.
Hello, may I speak to Lisa, please?
One moment, I'll get her for you.
Is this a good time to talk?
Yes, I'm free now.
Can I call you back later?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you for calling.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Lesson 22. Talking about the weather.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm outside.
Will it rain tomorrow?
Yes, there's a high chance of rain.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really. I prefer summer.
What's the temperature now?
It's around 25 degrees Celsius.
Lesson 23. Shopping for clothes.
Do you have this shirt in a medium size?
Yes, let me check in the back for you.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are over there.
How much does this jacket cost?
It's $45.99?
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, there's a 10% sale on all items.
Lesson 24. Talking about family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What does your father do?
He works as a teacher.
Do you live with your parents?
No, I live on my own now.
How often do you visit your family?
I visit them every weekend.
Lesson 25. Making an appointment.
I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Sure, what day and time work best for you?
Is Tuesday afternoon available?
Yes, we have a 2 p.m. slot open.
How long will the appointment take?
About 30 minutes.
Can I reschedule if I'm busy?
Yes, just call us at least a day before.